and like how to become a freelance translator, because there are a lot of people who want to become freelancer. There are
Right.
languages but want to become freelance translator. How they can become a freelance translator?
I think for that, I think social media helps a lot. LinkedIn is a great platform. You can join different groups. You can approach different people for freelance contracts. And once you have some contacts, of course, you keep getting more and more. But I think for me, I was lucky enough to work at an institute which immediately gave me the opportunity to translate, because they started with some basic visa documentation, and then I started getting much heavier documents like legal judgments and all of that.
Right. Even I would like to add on here, like if someone wants to become a freelancer, so that means that you are doing your own work.
Yeah,
So in order to build your own work, you need to, learn that marketing,
yeah,
marketing and
for
sales.
sure,
These two things, marketing and sales both. You
for
need to
sure.
learn these two things in order to grow as a freelancer. So if you
Yes.
know marketing and selling, then there is no limit for you. You need to know how you build your brand actually,
Yeah,
right? So you
absolutely.
need to build your own brand, because if you are a brand, then people will approach you. If you are not a brand, if someone doesn't know you, so no one is going to come to you. Suppose if
Exactly.
someone does, if I want to, translate some document, and I know you, but I don't know that Siddharth is a German translator or a Spanish translator. So why should I give my work to you?
Right,
Because I don't know
absolutely.
you. So
Yeah,
it's whose fault is this? It's your fault, first of all, because you have not marketed enough,
yeah,
right? So that's you need to learn sales and marketing if you're doing your own work. There is no choice actually. If you want to go bigger, if you want to grow in your life, if you want to do something big, you need to learn sales and marketing. Then you can go to any extent. There is no limit. Sky is the
absolutely.
limit. Even the sky is also not the limit even.
Yeah,
So learn sales
absolutely.
and marketing, I would say.
Yes,
Learn
true.
to
Your
market
point.
yourself, learn branding, become a brand. You need to become a brand.
Brand.
So that's the key, and the consistency, how consistent you are doing this
Yeah.
marketing and thing. Yeah.
Yes. And very important on very important emphasis on your own profile and your proficiency.
Correct.
Your profile should reflect your proficiency, how proficient you are in a
Exactly.
particular.
Exactly. That's the first thing actually. That's the
Yeah.
first thing.